brown cow. Ow, now, brown cow. Bonafide hustler here.
E-money here.
Did you get it? You practiced it? We're on a ride along, garage sale ride along. Guess what? It's raining and we're probably not gonna find anything. Ooh, there's a garage sale. I just said that and there's a garage sale in this garage. Well then, looks like we found our first one. Let's go! What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the... What's up, guys? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of E-Money's spaceship. We didn't think we're gonna be garage selling today. There's one right there. Dang, this is how we make some money on the weekends. It's so easy. Let's go get it.
Dude, you should have seen like that.
Dude. All right, so I bought all these batteries for $1. You might be thinking, that's kind of stupid. You never know in life when you're gonna need one of these batteries, whether it be for like a watch or some sort of a light or something to test something out. It's always good to have these batteries. So instead of going to Amazon or eBay and getting some batteries, like this is just the way I like to do it. Anyways, I always like to have these on hand. I always keep one of almost every single Blink media out there, whether it be outdated like a DAT or mini disc or something like that. Yeah, I always keep little things like that so I can test certain things out there when I get them. Anyone out there down with 38 Special? It's a good song. Some of my peeps out there, you gotta be down with 38 Special. If not, get off my channel.
There's another garage sale in this neighborhood.
I'd be really surprised if any of these garage sales pan out today. My guess is we're gonna be doing a lot of thrift stores and stuff, so I'm still gonna whip out the camera and we're definitely gonna film.
You think I can make it?
The turning radius of your truck.
Go!
This thing is about as agile as a freaking bobsled, dude. Come on. We're gonna be at this next garage sale soon. I've had 6.5 hours of sleep. Problem is, before I went to sleep last night, I probably had a pound of Rice Krispie treats. And we had a lot. We ate a ton though, right? Oh my gosh. Ate a ton of Rice Krispie treats. We made them. And yeah, it was a bad idea. But I try to have 2 cheat meals a weekend, right? So like, I took this whole Rice Krispie treat as my one cheat meal, as one of them. So I'll have room for one more. Oh man, when you wake up after Rice Krispie treats.
Oh, I woke up so good.
Did you? I woke up like feeling like a freight train that was carrying a freight train hit me. Like it felt terrible, man. I felt weird and had like all these bags under my eyes. All right, so we just came from that garage sale. E-Money has to get his jacket off. He's so swole, he can't even do it in a truck. I bought this for $1. It's a flask to put water in, right? That's all you put in these, just water.
Why would you put water in that?
Because if you want to stay, you have to stay hydrated, E-Money.
No, you put LaCroix.
LaCroix, yeah. So I got this Stanley flask right here for $1. Keeping it, because it's just awesome. I like it, so I'm gonna keep it. So we saw a garage sale sign behind us, and you know, we're trying to take anything that we can find at this point because it's really bad, honestly. But we knew it was gonna be bad, but we're just trying to get something out of the day. All right, making the turn to the Goodwill. We've given up on garage sales today, and I'm still tired. Still feel the Rice Krispies. E-Money, you ready to make a lot of money today?
Yeah, this day sucks. It's raining, hardly any garage sales, our pets' heads are falling off!
Ooh, what movie, guys? What movie? All right, Goodwill, you better pay off. Anyways, so yeah, one we threw out about a couple days ago on a ride along, no one got it. So we'll do it again. You ready? Do the line real quick.
And now for the final task of your training. Oh.
What movie is that? That's a tough one though. So what is it, early 2000s movie? Probably, right?
Yeah, something like that.
Anyways, guess that one. Checking out stuff here at the Goodwill. E-Money has a dog launcher, and I'm thinking about getting some fur boot looking things. You have to test it too. I don't understand why you didn't test it. Like the plug is right here. So I was really wanting to get these for $14.99, but there's a fair amount of damage on the fur. But this would have been an awesome bolo. Probably would have sold for like $80 to $100. But there's just too much damage to the fur. So this will be a pass. Man, that's a tough pass though. Test it. Holy crap! E-Money, what the? So it's a dog ball launcher. He bought it for 15 bucks. What's the estimated sale?
This one's probably gonna fetch like 120.
Cool.
That one's gonna be local for sure.
Yeah, when you tested that in the store, I was like,
it was like a bear trap.
BAM! I was like, holy crap.
I think it's set to the strongest setting right now.
Yeah, you think?
I think they've gone up as high as $180.
Jeez. Anyways, all right. So let's go. We're gonna get a Doppio right now. Let's go.
Here you go, Cat.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Doppio looks strong, man. This looks good. Let's get it. It's really hot. Ah! 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 It's a 3-ounce Doppio. Almost a 4, but it's good. It's no hound's. It's not houndstooth, but it is really close. Ah! Whoa, man! Dang, dude.
Wow.
Oh, it's so good. Oh, I need this. I need this right now. Hey guys, are you enjoying the hot shots or the ride-alongs? Let me know, because down below is a like button or dislike button. Hit the like button, please, and leave us comments. Gosh, I love reading comments. I am a sucker for comments. There is a word that rhymes with bore that I am in relation to comments. I am a comment, you know the word.
Chore.
Yeah, not chore, but it rhymes with chore though.
Color.
Yeah, so I am that behind the scenes. I love reading comments, I really do. And
floor.
when I read your comment, I always heart the comment. So if you have a heart next to your comment on my videos, it means I read it. And if you commented to me, you're my best friend today. Next sale, we're in Central Austin, deep in Central Austin now. Really nice houses everywhere. Listening to our favorite band, The Darkness. Oh, there's some bikes and some sale. I think this is a sale right here. I saw some bikes. I know there's gonna be some good stuff here. We just have to, hunt, and we have to hunt well. Let's take a look. I see bikes, all kinds of stuff. When you don't have anything, you cannot be picky. And today, there's just really nothing. There are no garage sales. There's always, obviously, thrift stores, but when you have nothing, you take anything, right? Do I match?
No, it looks like you're off to the races. Off to the races. Oh.
Nah, I'm working out today.
Hot hard today, huh?
I popped on some Reese's and some Kit Kat. It helps these kids go on a trip. So I got these two things and might eat them very, very slowly over the course of a couple of months in my house. But one of the other things, what did we do? There was a cool Kelty kids carrier thing in there, but it was a little bit higher. So anyways, got some candy. That's pretty awesome. All right, so there goes Green Room member Mark right there. I've known Mark before the Green Room and everything like that, and then he decided to join and stuff, and he was telling us a story about how he found maybe a first edition book or whatever, and actually sold it to a Green Room member. I think he bought the book for $4, sold it to a Green Room member for 30 bucks, and he was telling us a story. So anyways, so yeah, we got some candy. And so far, I'm in the hole, E-Money. I have a freaking Flask. I have things that are gonna rot my teeth. I have things that are gonna destroy my life. This is not good. Okay, so we're at the South Lamar Goodwill. E-Money.
Yeah.
You look like you are dying, so I think you need a Reese's.
Oh man. I don't know what it is.
Come on, have some Reese's.
I think it's the lack of cheddar right now.
Oh yeah, lack of cheddar. We're having a...
We run on cheddar.
We do. It's just cheddar depression right here. It's a lack of cheddar. We have to figure out the medical term to this disease. What is it down below? You guys comment down below. Is it cheddaritis? What disease is it when you...
is like when you have a lot of it now. Like
maybe. But what's the term to the disease now, guys? You know, we're depressed because there's no cheddar. So you have to help us make up your word down below. Put it on comment. I want to see them. I need to get my fix. Section. Full. Oh, that's not a good brand. You do not want to hustle that brand. What'd you find? You gonna get it?
Yeah, $4.
Guys, should we buy this? It's an S10 though. Hey, E-Money, I know where you can put this.
Well, in my house.
The market's really eroded on these, so I'll probably pass that one up. All right, so I didn't find anything here. Like, I think now I'm in the cheddar pit of misery. Like super dilly-dilly. Anyway, money. You're going backwards now. You were making money, now you're not making money. Now you're starting to spend money. This is pretty cool though. You're gonna have some fun?
Yeah.
Is this a battery pack or just batteries?
It's got maybe like a tiny battery pack in it.
Yeah, interesting.
We'll see.
Well, this is not the good stuff, and I'll tell you why.
Not we'll see.
Do you know why? Because there's a motor here and a motor there. The really good ones will have one central motor with an actual drive shaft going to both axles. So anyways, all right, savers, we're going there. Dude, someone just totally left their F350 running right in the parking lot. Saver time. I guess we're gonna do this no cart thing. Dog bowl? Look how big this dog bowl is, dude. We're looking. It's not that I'm discouraged or anything, it's just that these are the days where you really gotta keep it tight. Because if you're not finding anything, keep it tight. Keep the strategy intact, and you'll be just fine. You start bending the rules a bunch of times, and it's like you don't have a strategy anymore, right? Don't see anything yet. These aren't too bad. They're work boots and they're semi-stylish, but $14.99. I'm probably still gonna pass. All right, so we didn't find anything there. This day is just, I knew it was gonna be kind of bad, so anything. I found a Flask, so my day automatically is winning now. You found a tennis ball launcher.
Yeah.
So you've won. That's good. The Goodwill boutique. Yeah, we can go check it out. We should go check out like a pawn store or something. I'm trying to figure out what we can do around here. 2 more stops on this route. Maybe we can salvage the day. This is a Goodwill boutique on 9th Street, and then we're gonna go to a Savers.
You think I can get it back?
Yeah, you've been using your discount coupon like over and over and over. This is crazy. These bins can have some good stuff in it. What is this? You want this, Emerson? Last stop of the day. This Savers. This is it. Oh, you pulled out 2 at the same time.
Oh, this way.
All right, the day is done. We didn't find anything. We did hit that TLP though. No, it's Saturday. We always get tacos on Saturday, but not deserved tacos, that's for sure. But yeah, you have to, there were some things that I could have bought today, and I could have made 20 on something, 30 on this, 15 on that. But I'm not doing that because I'm in the business now of adhering to my plan and keeping this thing like part-time hours. So I'm not gonna bend my rules because the day is kind of dry. There's just no sense of doing that.
You kind of dug yourself into a hole today.
How?
By not making any money.
You can't dig yourself into a hole when you have a plan.
You dug yourself into a hole.
No,
so I think you need to cut your hair because of that.
No, I'm not gonna cut my hair.
Yeah, I think you should.
No, I mean I was gonna cut it today anyways, but I'm not gonna cut it now. I'll cut it later though. Will you cut it for me?
Yeah, I'll just take the scissors.
Sweet. I'm not gonna let you cut it though. You can't cut it. He's not gonna cut it. I got him. Oh, he fell. He fell hard for that one. I know when someone falls hard for something, I got this guy. Today's mission is to get an inside seat at Taco Deli. It's gonna be very hard to do.
You got this one right here?
Sweet. There are my tacos right there. Here we go. Done with Taco Deli. Dreary day. Oh, I feel better though. I ate a lot. Bringing stuff home for the wife. E-Money and I have a debate. Not really a debate, but like a question that we can't get an answer to. What's up? So you guys are gonna help us out. You cannot use Google, okay? Name a movie where the bad guy wins in the end. We couldn't think of one. What did we think about?
What about, hey, does Beetlejuice win?
He's not bad though.
Yeah, he is.
We're talking about a bad guy, like, is doing something bad. Like, we cannot think of a single movie where the bad guy wins in the end. Help us out. We'd love to. We'd love to see what you guys come up with. I have no idea. You had one that was kind of close.
Which one?
I don't know. I said this one movie called Catch Me If You Can, where Leo DiCaprio, he's kind of a bad kid, but then in the end, he's not like jailed or anything like that. He ends up working for the FBI.
I said Jurassic Park.
Jurassic Park.
Yeah.
And because the T-Rex wins,
Well, T-Rex doesn't die, but he's still alive and he's still wreaking havoc.
Yeah, what do you guys think? Like, let us know of a movie where the bad guy wins in the end. That's something that was just racking our brain over there while we were eating tacos. All right, so in here, there is a bunch of Frisbee discs. Bought them from a garage sale not too long ago, probably a week and a half ago. A week or 2 weeks ago. I think I bought them all for like $5 or $7, sold for 104-ish. That's sitting in that box right there. Bam.